Remember she got stuck in the donut?
Hey, my jiggly wigglies! Today we have my cat,
Sassy.
and I'm using my old phone, but we're gonna look up stuff like
To make for your cat.
little fun crafts for Sassy. Okay, so the 3 things that we're making, the first one is a feather toy tied to a string. The second thing
Is a catnip yarn ball.
and then the third thing,
Is a cat popsicle.
yay! The supplies we got is these cat treats,
Catnip.
feathers,
Feast cat food.
yarn ball.
Ice tray.
Then we're gonna put the tray in the freezer.
And
And
then
then-
popsicle. Catsicles.
Yeah, and I have 2 cats, so we'll give one to my other cat as well. We're gonna go get scissors, and then we'll get started.
I also have water for the cat treat.
So you should probably cut it like this long.
She already knows it.
You take your feathers, so you just tie it all together.
Next, we're making
Our cat popsicles.
Miss Sassy.
All right, so you take your spoon and you just.
Oh, I smell from here.
Ew. Oh my god.
It's so gross.
And there's literally cat hair in that one.
God, how does it? This is so gross.
I actually ate cat food once in like 3rd grade because I thought it was cool. Sassy, no.
Not yet.
What is that? Oh my god.
Give me my phone.
Where is
I'm
it?
gonna throw this at you.
Where is it?
Oh, this is.
That's so
We made 3. Shut up. Layer of wet food, and then a layer of treats, and then another layer of wet food, and then water.
She's dying to have.
We're making catsicles.
That's so fucking good. She's not gonna eat that.
Here she is. She actually almost.
She was trying to eat it.
That texture.
Next is our catnip yarn ball.
Catnip in your yarn ball.
And some scissors. So open up your catnip. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna like make our own yarn ball and start with that. Like a miniature one.
No.
So we're gonna try out this ball we made of catnip. Oh, she likes it. Good thing it didn't break. It's like this. Oh! Oh my god! Yay! She loves it! Okay, so we just got Jesse and we're gonna give him a little treat. He's not as playful, so.
I think he just wants the treats. Like, we're gonna fight over this ball.
Oh!
Aww. He loves it.
Yay! You love a hyper kitty.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna wait a little bit and then we will get the cat treats and then we'll be back then.
Woo, right.
Thank you for watching!
Bye. Subscribe.